Hey guys, this is Enewerume Content Queen. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial on how to create a Google My Business page. So if you're a business owner, you should know the importance of having your business on the internet, because whenever people want to shop, the first place they go to is the internet. So you cannot expect to have a physical shop, or probably you work from home and then someone wants to look for someone who provides the same services or sells the same products as you, and then they begin to walk from shop to shop. You don't expect people to do that. It says there's a recent survey that says that most people shop on the internet first before they even start looking for other options such as physical shops. So you want to make sure that your business is actually on the internet if you want to get more customers, meet your sales goals for the month, and get seen by a lot of other people. Excuse me. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create a Google My Business account. And when I made the poll on social media asking people what video they wanted me to create for them, someone said, how will she get her Google My Business account approved? And that question caught me off guard, because I didn't even know that there was such a thing as trying to get your account approved. Because when I opened my account, all I did was fill in the necessary details, and immediately my account was approved. So I'm going to be showing you the exact steps I took to create my own Google My Business account, so that you can follow that, create yours, fill in all the details, and then get your account approved. Because Google will send you an email to the email address to fill in. So they will send you the approval notification. So the first thing you need to do is to go to the website and you type business.google.com/create. So we'll just type that, business.google. If you can see here, as I'm typing, you see my own business, Midas Literary Services. I will show you that much later. business.google.com/create. Alright, so that's where we are going to. And then you want to add your business to Google, because your business is not on Google. So you click on add your business to Google. Alright, so what's your business name? I'm just going to write demo business. Demo business, and then demo business. I don't know, I'm just trying to create a business with this name. Yes. So you click on next. So you choose your business category. You can change and add more later. Let's just say hospitality. So if you have a laptop, you can use a laptop for that. I'm just going to leave that hospitality and click next. Oh, okay. So then just click on hospital. So if you have a laptop, you see a drop down of all the options that you have there. Then the next is, do you want to add a location customers can visit, like a store or office? If you have, yes. If you don't have, no. So I'm just going to click on yes and click next. So all my tutorial videos are actually done with smartphone, except the one on how to self-publish your book on Amazon. But if you have a laptop, it's always advisable that you try out all these things with laptop. Okay, so what's your address? Wherever you stay, just fix it in. I currently stay in Nigeria, so I'm going to use Nigeria. Your street address, local government area, city, postal code. You can always Google search it. It's always on the internet. And then save. So I'll click on next. You see, it doesn't even work. I have to just find something. Local government area. Just find all these things out and then stay. So if you don't have the answer to anything, you can always check the internet and you'll find it there. So do you also serve customers outside this location? If you do, yes. If you don't, say yes. Okay. Then add the areas you serve. So you can choose the particular areas that you serve. For instance, if you sell physical products and you don't deliver to certain areas, what you need to do is just to list the areas that you actually serve people. So if you don't want to fill in this detail, it's optional for you. You can just keep it and go to the next one. So what contact details do you want to show to customers? Obviously, your contact number must be there. So I always advise people to have a business line. If you don't want to put your personal line here so that people will not disturb you, you need to have an extra line for your business. So if you have website URL, or if you say you don't need a website, you can also get a free website based on your info. Yes, Google My Business helps to create a free website. Although I have my personal website at www.estheranywhereremade.com, I still use Google My Business free website option. So when you check my Google My Business page for my business, the Midas Sport Literary Services, you will still see that I have a Google My Business website. So when I was creating my account, I chose current website URL. I'm just going to put my phone number there. And then click next. So finish and manage this listing, promote your business with photos, and you can do all that stuff. And then I click finish. Awesome. So okay. Alright, so if you have reviews, you can share your review form to your clients, your customers. If you have news to share to your customers, you can create a post. Just like how you post on social media, you keep on posting here. So my listing is complete, just 40%. There are a lot of other things I need to do. I need to add my work hours, I need to add profile shopping, I need to add a description of my business, I need to add my business logo. I need to do a whole lot of things. I can get my custom email, but I think I have to pay for that. Then let customers message you. Of course, you want to turn on this option, because if customers cannot message you directly, how will you know when someone contacts you? So right now, your Google My Business account is already created, but if you don't fill in all these details, if you don't see that your the percentage of your progress is 100%, then Google cannot approve your account. So I guess that's why people have been saying that, oh, I created the Google My Business account, why have I not been approved? I didn't go through that situation, because when I created my account, I used about 3 hours to create it, because I didn't even know how to go through some things. But I made sure that I filled in all my details, and immediately I was done, I was sent an email that my account had been approved, that my business had been submitted for approval. Then I think in like 24 hours or less than that, I got another email that my account had been approved. Also, when someone makes a review on your wall, you also get an email. So there's nothing you do on your Google My Business page that you will not get an email for. So when you click on these 3 buttons here, you see your info. There are lots of things that you need to fix. Okay. So as you can see, demo business is under review. Okay, this means that when you click on that button, you can edit as many things as you want. So once your business is approved, then you can now finish all what you are doing. So you add your business hours. Obviously, you need to add your work hours. When do you work? Do you work on Sunday? If your Sunday is closed, you close it. I work on Monday. What time do you open? I can just choose let's say 7 a.m. Okay. 7 a.m. You see the drop down option, and I close at probably 7 p.m. So on Tuesday is open. The same thing, you just fill it in, and when you are done, you click on apply. Okay, so click on apply and it will save. Alright, so you need to settle down to fill in all these details. As you can see, what I just did now just showed here that I work on only Monday. So you need to fill in all these details one after the other. Service area is optional. That's where you choose to sell. So add special hours if you have. Your number is there. Add a short name, probably your email. So make it easier for customers to find and follow your business on maps. So you can enter a short name. I don't know. Probably look at the suggestion that was given to me. Click on apply. Whatever detail you see is not filled there, you need to fill it up, because that's what is actually going to get your account approved. So you can copy the link, you can share it so that people will see that you have a Google My Business page. Okay, then your products, you can edit products. If you have a website, you need to add the website there. Highlight, add attributes, add business description. This is really important, because sometimes the category your business falls under might not be there. So it is a description that will now explain exactly what your business is about. Okay, I think the category I even chose for my business is it doesn't fully explain what I do, but the description I did for my business made it spot on. So you can choose to add opening dates for your business. You add pictures. If you have products, you have videos. You just add every single thing you can add. So I'm just going to go back to this button here, and then you see settings. You want to check out all these options and make sure that everything is filled. So you can see your feedback is tick, reminders, alerts that remind you. So it's pretty easy. And then you have okay. So you see all the things you have here, and then you can post. You can make posts just like how you make posts on social media. Okay, you can make posts. Create your first post. So you click on it. Update your status. What kind of button do you want to put there? Do you want people to call you now? If you're saying, hey guys, we are open for business and all that, you just click on call me now. Or you can follow me on my social media, learn more, stuff like that. Okay, so creating a Google My Business account is not hard. It is not hard at all. Your info, okay, this is all your info here. All right, so okay, so there's so many things you can do. You can also add your services. So this is just all about creating a Google My Business account. It's not hard, it's not difficult. Just make sure that you fill all your details. And then you see that you are still 40%, which means that there are a lot of things that you've not done. So when you complete your listing, you fill everything. Yes, you can add a cover photo, upload your business photos, view your business on the map, download the app. There are so many things you can do. So when you create your Google business account, just make sure that you fill in every single detail, and then you're on your way to having your business approved and found on the internet. So thank you so much guys for watching. make sure you stay tuned for other videos. I also have a video here that teaches you how to be Googleable with a one-page website. It's a free one-page website. So you click on the I button there, and then you find that particular video. And once you've created your about.me page, which is the one-page website to use for you to be Googleable, you need to make sure that you promote that link. Put it on your social media platform, put it as your email signature, so that when people click on it and you get more visits to that your one-page website, then whenever people search for your name, that's the first thing that pops up on the internet. So don't just create the one-page website and leave it. For those who have watched the video previously, I hope that you get this message. When you create your one-page website, make sure that you promote the link, put it as an email signature, and get as many people as you can to click on that link. The more people click on the link, the more it is optimized in Google search engine, and the more people can find you on the internet. So once Google My Business page is created and you are done with filling every detail and it's 100%, then you can just wait for your approval. So thank you so much for watching. Until I come your way next time. Bye. So much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.